In a quiet, forgotten dock, this 80-foot Bugatti-inspired superyacht sits abandoned, its once luxurious presence now buried under years of decay. The glossy finish has faded, replaced by rust, salt stains, and deep structural damage. Cracks run across the hull, metal components are corroded, and every surface reflects neglect. What was once a symbol of performance and luxury has become lifeless and silent. But even in this condition, the design still hints at its former greatness. Beneath the damage lies potential waiting to be uncovered. This is where the journey begins, not with perfection, but with possibility. The restoration begins with precision. Every inch of the yacht is carefully inspected, every flaw documented in detail. Engineers study the damage, identifying what must be repaired and what must be rebuilt entirely. Soon, the disassembly starts. Panels are removed, rusted components are stripped away, and hidden structural issues begin to reveal themselves. What once looked like surface damage now exposes deeper challenges. The yacht is taken apart piece by piece, reducing it to its core structure. This is not just repair work. It is the beginning of a complete transformation. With the damaged layers removed, the cleaning process begins. High-pressure water blasts away years of dirt, salt, and corrosion. Every surface is washed, every corner cleared of buildup that has accumulated over time. As the grime disappears, the true structure of the yacht begins to emerge once again. Metal surfaces regain their visibility, and the original form starts to reappear. It is the first real sign of progress, the moment where decay begins to give way to restoration. What was hidden is now exposed, ready to be rebuilt. Now comes the foundation of the transformation: structural restoration. Damaged sections of the hull are repaired and reinforced with precision. Cracks are sealed, weakened areas are rebuilt, and the entire structure is strengthened to restore its integrity. Skilled hands and advanced tools work together to bring the yacht back to its original form. Every repair must be exact, every surface aligned perfectly. This stage defines the future of the yacht. Without strength, there is no luxury, only failure. And here, strength is rebuilt from the ground up. With the structure restored, attention shifts to refinement. Sanding begins, smoothing out every imperfection left behind from damage and repair. Rough surfaces are transformed into clean, seamless contours. Layer by layer, the yacht is prepared for its new identity. Dust fills the air as tools shape the body back into perfection. Every curve is refined, every edge sharpened. This is where precision meets artistry. The yacht is no longer broken. It is being reshaped into something flawless. The transformation becomes visible as painting begins. A fresh, high-gloss white finish is carefully applied, restoring the yacht's iconic Bugatti-inspired appearance. Layer after layer builds a flawless reflective surface. Carbon fiber elements are restored and reinstalled, adding performance detail to the design. The yacht begins to shine again, reflecting light with precision and elegance. What was once dull and damaged now looks powerful and alive. This is the moment where restoration turns into rebirth. Beneath the surface, the real power is rebuilt. Engines are restored, mechanical systems repaired, and every component tested for performance and reliability. Wiring is replaced, systems are reconnected, and precision engineering brings the yacht back to life. What once failed is now refined to perform better than before. This stage is not just about function. It is about power, control, and perfection. The yacht is no longer silent. It is ready to move again. Inside, the transformation continues. The interior is rebuilt into a modern luxury space, combining comfort with advanced design. Premium materials replace damaged surfaces, and smooth finishes create a refined atmosphere. Lighting systems are installed, panels fitted, and every detail is carefully aligned. The empty shell becomes a living space once again. This is where engineering meets luxury, where structure becomes experience. The moment arrives. The yacht is returned to the water, lowered carefully as it meets the ocean once again. For the first time since its abandonment, it floats with purpose. Engines start, systems activate, and the yacht begins to move. Final inspections ensure everything meets perfection. Every surface is polished, every detail refined. The yacht now stands as a complete transformation, from rusted abandonment to luxury excellence. It reflects not just light, but the work, precision, and dedication behind every step. This is no longer a project. It is a masterpiece. Now fully restored, the yacht is presented in its complete form. Every angle reveals perfection. Every reflection shows its rebirth. As it leaves the marina, it carries a new identity. Strong, elegant, and powerful. It no longer belongs to the past. It belongs to the open water ahead. Slowly at first, then with confidence, water flows along its flawless hull as it cuts through the surface with precision. This is proof. The restoration is real. The yacht is alive again. Out in the open ocean, the journey comes full circle. The yacht moves effortlessly, cutting through waves with precision and grace. What was once abandoned is now dominant.